Hi everyone, today we'll quickly show you how to install the sliding shelf, followed by the 4U mount drawer, where you can store your various supplies here. In addition to the sliding shelf itself, you will also receive 8 cage nuts and 8 screw sets. As for the rack mount drawer, we have 4 panel screws and 4 cage nuts accompany the drawer itself. This is a sliding shelf, and the first thing we do is strip away the side railing. Then, we insert the cage nuts into the desired location of the rack and screw on the side railings with the screw set, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. We then need to readjust the side railing to the desired depth. First, we put in the screw, followed by the washer, and finally the nut. The sliding shelf can be installed on either side depending on your need. After sliding in the shelf, we then tighten the screws and ensure that it slides smoothly by sliding it back and forth a few times. The sliding shelf has a loading weight of up to 25 kilograms and is mainly used for repair and diagnostics, enabling you to place your laptop on it, where you can pull out conveniently. The 4U rack mount drawer takes up 4 rack units of space and is pretty straightforward, as you just need to tighten the 4 screws, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Again, you can slide the drawer back and forth a few times to ensure it's installed properly. And that completes the installation of the sliding shelf and 4U rack mount drawer. You can check out additional information in the link below. That's all for now. Bye!